this video, I want to show you guys a AI tool that can turn your notes, documents, and even articles into podcast. Even if you don't have any notes or documents, you're just getting started, you want to do some research, AI can also handle that. You can ask AI to do a research on your topic and then turn it into podcast. And there is also a cloud AI agent that works for you 24/7. You can give it a task and it will complete it for you. So I want to learn about quantum computing, but I don't want to read this. So what I can do is copy the URL of this article, then go to Skywork.ai and ask it to summarize it for me. Or even better, I can ask it to create a podcast for me. So here I'm going to go to tools and then going to initiate the podcast, and I'm going to give it a prompt with the link, or I can simply ask it to do its own research on quantum computing. And you can also add sources. Right now I have added the URL of the article about the quantum computing. And if you have more sources, let's say you have done some research, you have notes or documents, you can also add them and AI will summarize and create a podcast for you. So here I'm just going to hit enter. Now it's going to start generating the podcast. It will take some time, so we just have to wait for it to complete the process. While it's doing its work, let me show you guys some other features like creating image. You can create poster images or social media style images, logo, branding, or anything that you want to create by selecting the creatives, and you can just describe your image and it will create it for you. So I'm going to create a poster for the Mount Everest trekking. I'm going to give it a simple prompt and I'm going to select poster here and hit enter, and then it's going to start generating our poster. And here is our Mount Everest trekking poster. It looks epic. We can also do further editing. There are some options that we can select. Let's say you want to add your own text. You can select the text and add your text in here. And you can also upload your images. If you want to use your own custom image or logo, you can add in here. You can also add comments and tell AI what you want to change in the image. Let's say I want to add a flag of Nepal, where this Mount Everest is, in this man's hand. So I want to add this comment in here and I'm going to run it. And just like that, now we have flag in his hand. This is absolutely amazing. You can even do further editing, add more elements, text, or anything. Or you can also import your own image and edit them. You can also change the aspect ratio if you want to. Let's say I can just simply say, make this image 16:9 aspect ratio and 4K. And here is our new poster that is 4K and 16:9 ratio. This is just one example. You can not only create images, you can also edit and refine your images. If you have any image that you need to edit and make it better, you can simply upload it and ask AI to edit for you what changes you want and all that. Let me actually give you guys a demo. I'm going to upload this image here and I'm going to ask it to edit the image for me. Man riding a bike in cyberpunk city. And here is our picture. Let's actually go full screen and let's zoom in a little bit. Not that bad. We can do further refinement. We have these tools here that we can use, like we have eraser, text tool, split element tool, remove background, expand, upscaler, in paint. I just need to fix the face here. I can tell AI to make him smile or something and it will get fixed. But look at this. This is actually a pretty cool image. Now let me show you guys something that I have done before. I wanted to know more about Mount Everest trekking. So I asked this AI first research itself and then create a podcast for me. So it did its research and then it turned.
Welcome to Summit Stories, the podcast that takes you to the top of the world one step at a time. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic adventures on the planet, trekking to Mount Everest Base Camp. Mountaineers and dreamers for over a century. Fakding, cross suspension bridge.
So it tells everything about the Mount Everest trekking, the location and everything. And then I also asked it to create a slide. So it's pretty amazing actually. Now it will ask you some questions about the podcast that you're creating, like how you want that podcast to be. Do you want one speaker or double speaker, like two-person talking or single person talking? If you don't touch it, it will auto execute and create a podcast for you. But you have the option to customize the podcast, like how long you want that podcast to be, 5 minute, 10 minute, 20 minute, and in which content you want to focus more. Okay, finally, the quantum computing podcast is ready. Now we can listen to this within the chat. So let's listen.
Welcome to Quantum Computing Explained. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into one of the most exciting and mind-bending fields in modern science, quantum computing. Whether you've heard the buzz or you're completely new to the topic, we've got you covered.
And I'm Jamie. We're going to break this down in a way that's easy.
So you notice that there are two speakers. They're going to talk to each other and discuss about the quantum computing and explain us how it works. Okay, now you can listen to this podcast instead of reading a huge amount of documents. So basically, you can turn any research into a podcast and listen to it. And if you're a dev, you're going to love this. Skywork actually open sources their core models and research data. So while this website looks super polished, the tech underneath is transparent and community backed. If you like this AI, you want to try this yourself, there is a link in the description for a discount on Plus plan, but you can also try this for free. There are many other things you can do with this AI. It's not just limited to creating a podcast. You can just have a general chat with AI, just like other chatbots, or you can ask it to do some real work. Like you can create a document with it on specific topic, or you can also provide your own notes, documents. You can also generate images. There are presets available, or you can create your own unique image. You can create slides. You can just simply have a chat. You can create sheets, website, videos. In simple words, this is a all-in-one AI tool that can do almost anything. Now let me show you guys another amazing feature. It's called Skyclaw. It's a AI agent that works for you 24/7. Right now there is a AI tool called OpenClaw that is really famous, but you need to learn how to use it. It's a really powerful tool. Basically, the OpenClaw is for more advanced users, but Skyclaw can be used by anyone because you don't need to set up anything. It's super easy to use. I'm going to ask it to create a separate markdown file from the work that I have done in Skywork, all the research and everything. And once done, I want it to notify through WhatsApp. So let's do this. Now, while it's doing its research, you can, turn off your computer and go walk outside. It will still work because it's cloud native. It has its own computer on the cloud that you can actually see here. Okay, this is its computer. You can also interact with it and you can access all your files in here that you have uploaded or that Skybot has added, and you can also download them locally. Now you can see it is completed and it should have sent me a notification. I needed to select the WhatsApp session in here. Basically, it will send me a notification in WhatsApp. You can chat with it. You can ask questions just like regular AI chatbot from the WhatsApp or Discord, Telegram. I have linked myself with the WhatsApp. If you have given any task to the bot, it can also notify you through the WhatsApp. Okay, let's give it a new task. Every morning at 8 a.m., find the top 3 trending developer news stories from Hacker News, summarize them into 2 sentences each, and send them to my WhatsApp. Okay, so this is his daily work now. So let's send this prompt and wait for the message. So with this kind of bot, the OpenClaw, you can automate anything, and it's super easy because again, you don't have to set up anything. Unlike OpenClaw, Skyclaw is easy to use. It's already set up for you. It has its own computer on the cloud. It runs 24/7. Even if your computer is turned off, it just keeps working for you. And you can see here, it has done its research. And if I go and check my WhatsApp, it has sent me that research on my WhatsApp. So it's pretty amazing. Now it's going to do this every single day at 8 a.m. I can also give it a more complex task like creating an app or something like that. So I'm going to give it a simple prompt just to show you guys a demo. Create a webcam application based on Electron, so it's cross-platform. This app should be able to record webcam video, photos, and it should have all the webcam settings and everything. So I'm gonna send this, and now just watch the computer. Now you can see here it has opened a web browser. Now it's doing a research how it's gonna do it, and it's happening on the cloud computer. Okay, it's not touching your computer. Okay, it looks like it has done doing its work. Now it's telling me to do it manually. I can ask it to launch it. I should have done that when I gave the first prompt, also test it and all that. Now I'm going to tell it to open this and test it by itself, so I don't have to do anything. And look at that. It actually made a application. This is amazing. So basically, you can do anything that you want with this AI. I don't think this cloud computer has webcam, but you can see here it's testing the webcam. It's giving me a summary. It's using a virtual webcam, so it needs to test the webcam application whether it's working or not. It also created a virtual webcam, so it did all the verification, like UI is working, webcam capture is also working. This is actually amazing. I can't believe within couple of minutes we built a application using the SkyClaw. So just like this, you can do anything that you want, and you can automate anything that you want. And the best part is you don't have to set up anything. It just works. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you also like the AI, don't forget to check out my link in the description. You'll get a discount on Plus plan. But again, you can also join this for free and try out for free. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.